See what I'm dealing with, y'all?
Look.
She would have looking at Snapchat stuff. See? Bruh. See?
Those are the kids yesterday.
See, no one's this. See, I'm waiting to start the video. This is what she did.
Listen, you was over there doing something.
Tom Brady took the red pill and he no longer wants to be married. That's what I'm bringing up right now. This is by O'Shea Jackson. Back at it with another video of this is not celebrity junk. But it is the celebrity junk though. But it's on his channel. Whatever. Anyway, guys, we about to check this video out. For some reason, I wanted to watch and react to it. So that's what we're gonna do.
What's good, everybody? It's your boy, O'Shea Jackson, back at it again with another episode of the Celebrity Junk. Tom Brady, greatest quarterback in the history of the NFL. I mean, he's one of the most intelligent quarterbacks ever. He's a leader. Most of all, he is a winner. That's Tom Brady. The greatest to ever do it almost in any sport. He's Jordan-like. However, here's what I've noticed, guys. You know, we always talk about, when it comes to dealing with women, don't we always say that it doesn't matter how much money they make because we care about what they do? Ultimately, men fall victim to that also. Because see, for us, it's about how much money we make. It's about how alpha we are. How much of a leader we are in the boardroom or on the football field or someplace, sometimes in churches and things, pastors. But ultimately, we fall victim to that also. Because that will get you in, but it won't keep a woman. And this is what's going on with Tom Brady and his wife, Giselle. He briefly retired. I believe she talked to him about that. Playing quarterback in the National Football League is very dangerous, especially in your mid 40s. But he unretired. And that set the tone for what we've been hearing now, which is they're headed for divorce. And I want guys to understand something. I know this is the manosphere. I know this is the red pill. But we need to be real. And the red pill is about being real, and I want to be real with you. If ever in life you believe that you're going to be with some woman long term and you're not going to make major compromises for her in the relationship, I'm here to tell you, it doesn't matter how much money you make.
Well, that is, wow. I did not see that coming.
Look at Jeff Bezos. Look at Bill Gates. Look at Warren Buffett. All of them are the most alpha businessmen God ever made. All of them are divorced.
You want a divorce? I will show you the meaning of ugly. We'll dig in.
Donald Trump, been divorced 3 or 4 times. And I'm going to tell you what I will tell women. What you do at work is not always reflective of what you do at home.
Ain't that right? He ain't lying. That's right.
For men, you get a little bit more points. But when you're in a relationship, there is sacrifices. When you have family, that is sacrifices.
Now I know why I did this.
Okay.
What you think?
Why'd you do it?
Cause O'Shea Jackson is one of the pillars of the black man.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
He's one of the OGs, as they say, of the black men. He been ahead doing it so long.
Mm-hmm.
He's rich.
I'm rich.
He came in here. He did what he was supposed to do. He is one of the voices of the black manosphere. Mm-hmm. He definitely believes in the vast majority of the red pill talking points.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. And even he had to be like, bruh. it's cool that you got all that stuff. Yes, you're gonna get a lot of women chasing you, and you're gonna have the pick of the litter and all of that other stuff. But you still gonna have to develop some relationship skills. And these women ain't gonna wait around for you forever. They gonna let you go and kill it for a very long time. Look at Dr. Dre. Look at Dr. Dre. He ain't want to stop. And he not even doing it at the rate that he used to. But all reports say that he still go to the studio every day like it's still 1998. Every day, all day. And that's passion. And I can respect it. But it don't matter if you a man or a woman. If you don't develop your relationship skills, if you don't take the time to work on relationships, you ain't gonna have no relationship. And they gonna take a chunk of your money with them when they leave. Like, that's just the way it is. If you believe, whether man, woman, that's pretty much all it is. There's nothing else for me to say there that was going to sound right. I was going to say boy or girl, but I was like, no, you ain't supposed to be in no relationship with your boy or girl. Look, if you're a man or a woman and you are very career oriented and career driven, and I know a lot of people in my life, and I have known a lot of people in my life that are that. That is great. That does not translate over into relationships. It will attract certain people to you, but attracting factors do not keep you.
Very true.
If you don't learn patience and kindness, simple things. I mean, even if it's only for your kids and your wife or your husband.
Yeah.
Even if it's only for them, you're going to lose everything but that money. What you work for is what you get to keep. That's what you get to excel at. Just because you can attract somebody who's handsome or pretty or gorgeous or whatever the case may be, that does not mean that you're going to be able to keep them. It does not mean that they're going to have any character either.
Very true.
You still got to do that work. Every woman who's gorgeous doesn't have what we perceive the character of Beyonce to be. Because I don't know her. Yeah, I don't know her either. But we all perceive that she's a nice person at the very least, right? And she's beautiful. You having a certain amount of money, it don't attract you to her. If you sit down and you listen to Jay-Z talk, you go, that's why she with him.
Yep.
Facts.
That's why a lot of women are chasing 50. Despite all of the craziness he always into, the brother is smart. Jay-Z is smart. She respects more than just his pockets. And I can see him being the type of guy to rationalize and figure out what sacrifices he has to make his relationship work.
Right.
That's what Lemonade was all about. He had to sacrifice.
You know, most people walk away and like divorce rate is like 50% or something because most people can't see themselves. The hardest thing is seeing pain on someone's face that you caused and then have to deal with yourself. Yeah. So most people don't want to do that. Yeah. You don't want to look inside yourself.
Shut everything down. Even got Kanye pissed off at him.
Jay-Z, call me, bro. You still ain't called me.
Because he had to make sacrifices for his relationship. She was worth it. Because her character is more than just her beauty. Her beauty is more than skin deep. That's how I should say it.
Yeah.
If you expect to have a beautiful person and not talking about how they look, you're going to have to make some concessions. Because everybody's talking about get your bag, get your money, get your high earning skill and all of that other stuff. If you want relationship, and that's the key, if you want relationship, there will be sacrifice. The thing is, it's worth it. I saw I'm going to take over this whole video. I saw a great saying somebody said. They said the divorce rate is 50%. 90% of businesses fail. And then the thing said, if you do either one of them right, the rewards are worth the risk.
Right. Okay.
I would add to that, because we're a relationship-based channel, why is everybody willing to jump into something with a 90% failure rate? but not willing to jump into something with the 50% failure rate. Don't nobody ever
Talk about it.
Nobody ever stops to look at stuff like that. Nobody said, because money, money is God right now. That's how everybody feels.
And it's easier for you to start a business than for you to change your personality.
That part.
True.
That's so sad.
That's
but
real
true.
talk.
Like, a lot of people don't want to look inward. Like, they don't want to have to deal with themselves, essentially.
Yep.
And I find it not funny, because funny, but not funny. Funny in the sense that, of course, I never want to see anyone's marriage dissolve or end.
Right.
Unless somebody was being physically abused or something like that, or whatever. That's a whole other story. Like, I never want to see that. But it's funny in the sense that they said Tom Brady took a red pill and now he no longer wants to be married. I feel like that's I don't know exactly why, can't speak to that, but I feel as though that can be very true for men like him. That's basically in his same space. Like, we have these content creators in that red pill society, and they're telling you this, like, go out there, get your bag, be this, be that, be this, be that. But they're not giving you the other hand, like the other side of it. Like, yeah, I think it's great. I think it's a great idea for men to encourage men to be the best versions of themselves.
Absolutely, 100%.
And to go out there, you know what I'm saying? And basically try to rule the world. Like, go out there and do you.
Right,
you know
right,
what I'm saying? I think that that's great. But at the same time, like, where's the conversation about, like, how do you be, like, a good husband or a good spouse? Or, like, after you get your bag, like, what is it that you want? What is you going to do? How are you going to keep that relationship going? How are you going to keep it together?
Prenup. Okay.
Besides that,
ahead.
like, what are the things that you're going to do, you know what I'm saying, to make sure that you are a good partner in a relationship, just like how you're a good businessman. Like, there's no conversation like that being had, because you're the prize, according to the manosphere. It's like, no, well, you're the prize. You're the prize. No, you're the prize. It's just like,
men, know what you're worth. Have some standards, because you are the prize.
seriously, no. You're not the prize. What? Okay? No one person is the prize. The prize is a successful relationship. When you guys are both doing what you're supposed to do, that's the prize. Now you're winning, because you're both winning. It's not one-sided. It's not like, okay, well, like, I'm king, you know what I'm saying, serve me, or I'm queen, serve me. No, you're king and queen. You serve each other. When you guys come together and you do the thing together, and you have a successful relationship, that's the prize, because that's ultimately what you want. You want to be able to have a good relationship with the person that you're with. You want something that's going to be long lasting, not something that you feel as though, like, oh, okay, well, this might be for a few years, so let me get a prenup. Like, no, the goal is for you to stay married until death do you part.
I'm gonna end on that. I like the way she set that up. I like the way she set it up. She knocked it down, bro. She knocked down the bowling pins. So I'm good with that one. And I think that we're gonna end it. Uh-oh. Excuse me. Lord, okay, she choked up. All right, y'all.
Don't forget to subscribe. That's what I was going to say.
Like, comment, subscribe, share. Jump down in the comment section if you think that the men's is the prize. Jump down in the comment section if you think the woman is the prize. Jump down in the comment section if you think the relationship is the prize. And what do you want? Because to be quite honest, if you don't want relationship and you're happy without having companionship in that way, then you don't have to worry about what we just said, because this is not for you.
This ain't for you. This channel ain't for you.
Yeah, this channel is about relationships, about getting married, staying married, and making that situation work and have nobody be at a disadvantage. So that's it. I'm gonna stop talking because I feel myself going on a rant. Peace.